Yo, what up YouTube BX? This is your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as only use me tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another video and another unboxing. And in this video is something very special for all you people out there that wants this, and I'm going to show you right now what it is. So let's just move the keyboard out the way, and we really got to move this out the way. So before I bring the package over here, let me basically explain to you exactly what this is. So I know a lot of people out there want an AIO and don't want to spend a large price for it. So let's bring this into the frame. So here we go right here. Bada bing, bada boom. So this is the Thermaltake TH360 V2 Ultra ARGB Sync AIO Liquid Cooler. And this does have a LCD screen on it. And guess what? This is a full 360 AIO with an LCD screen, and guess how much the price is for this? Just take a wild guess. Yes, it's the cheapest one you can get. So basically, they NZXT have a AIO with an LCD screen, but it has a little box screen on it, which is not that big. That sells for about $129. Then you have the other version, which is about the bigger one, which I believe is the 420. I'm trying to remember the size. That one costs about $180 something, but that one has like a smaller screen on that one. Then you actually have the other version, which has the bigger one like that. So this one for right here actually costs $150. It's $149.99 on Amazon. It has a full LCD screen with full ARGB fans that comes with it, and this is a full radiator. Let's get to the unboxing so I can actually show you guys this. So let's get over here because we have to pop the sticker off. Well, we're not going to pop the sticker. We're just going to cut the sticker off. And where is my knife? Where's the bat knife? Okay, we found the bat knife. You already know the deal. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. So we got a couple of stickers all over the place. So let's get to this one right here. Try to cut this one smooth off. Okay. That one looked like it's clean. Yeah, there we go. Then we got some on the sides. Try to just smooth cut it. Okay, there we go. Can we separate it? Okay. Do one more cut. Right about there. We may need to cut it a little bit more. I'm not completely sure. Let's double check. Look like I didn't have to cut it here. Look like I mostly have to cut it right here. So let's get it there and get it here. Okay, there we go. Everything is cut. Place it right there. We already got the slit open halfway. Because I have my monitor right there, I'm gonna have to open it up a little differently. And there we go. I'm gonna have to turn it somewhat this way. Okay, there we go. This is a big boy here. And the box is going to constantly keep going away, so I might have to turn it the opposite way, like this, and move myself over to the side. Okay, we got the menus, got that, got the phone. We got 4 fans, which I will not be using because I have my own fans. As you could daisy chain it, but I'm not because I have fans already. This is going to probably go into my other one. Is this 120? Is this 120? I think these 120s. I believe it's 120s. I'm not going to be using this. Too many cords on there. I got uni fans that I can use with it. We have the brackets. As you can see right here. Cords, everything. Then we have the AIO right here. There we go. And we have the LCD screen right there. I'm not going to fully take everything out on here because the simple fact is I don't know if I'm going to do this computer right now or wait till tomorrow to do this. Yeah, but that's it right there. that's just the fast unboxing. I'm gonna put this back in here. I don't know if I'm gonna do this tonight. Most likely, I don't know. I might do it tomorrow. It do come with thermal paste, so that's a good thing. We got all the cords and the screws and everything like that. I can flip everything over, which is not a problem. The only thing is that I need to swap my motherboard. So that's going to be the thing, because I need to push my motherboard up. So that's why I'm kind of like stalling to wait till tomorrow to actually do this, because it is 6:55 p.m. and I'm running out of sunlight. So yeah, I don't know if I want to mess with two computers, because I got to do two computers and change the AIO and some of the stuff like that and pop some things in and out. So yeah, guys, that's this right here is the Thermaltake TH360 V2 Ultra ARGB sync AIO with LCD screen. So when I get done, I will upload a video showing it at the end of this video, because I'm gonna have to edit the video to actually show you guys this. All right, so I'm gonna catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. One. Okay, guys, so as you can see right there, there's the AIO. As you can see right there from the fans. I'm gonna actually change up some of the settings in a few seconds and put on the ones that I normally rock with, but that's basically what the AIO look like right there with the LCD. Only paid $149.99 instead of paying $200 and change. As you can see, a full screen right there, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.